students, I am Sandani teacher. Today I am going to teach you Unit 5 Light and Vision. This lesson is for grade 6 national syllabus. How we see things. There are many things around you. How can you see these things? When light rays project on the objects, it will reflect back to our eye and we can see those objects. Sources of light. What is the source of light? Objects which emit light are sources of light. We call the objects that emit light luminous objects. Here you can see some examples. There are natural sources of light and there are artificial sources of light. Sun is the natural source of light. Fire is a natural source of light. Then flashlight, bulb, LED lights, study lamp, they are artificial sources of light. There are also some animals which can produce light. For example, anglerfish, jellyfish, then firefly, those are some examples. Transmission of light through objects. We can classify the objects as transparent objects, translucent objects and opaque objects. Transparent objects lets all the light through them, and translucent objects, they let some light through them, and opaque objects, they does not send any light through them. You can see there are three pictures of transparent object, translucent object and opaque object. Through this we can clearly see the scenery, but through this the scene is blurry, and through that the scene is not clear at all. So that is transparent, translucent and opaque. Transmission of light through water and air. Light gets transmitted through water and air also. Here you can see an example. There is a fish tank with clear water and a fish tank with unclear water. Here we can see the fish and the things inside the tank very clearly. But there, because the water is unclear, we cannot see the fish inside clearly. And here is another example. This is a normal day where air is transparent, so we can see this scene very clearly. But there, the day is a foggy day. The atmosphere is filled with fog, so we cannot see the scene very clearly. Light rays and beams. The narrow path in which light is transmitted is known as a light ray. A light beam is a collection of light rays. Here you can see two pictures of two activities. Activity 1, for the activity 1 we need a white A4, a comb and a torch. You have to keep the comb perpendicular to the white A4 and then you have to light the torch from the opposite direction. Then you can see the parallel rays of light. This is a beam of light. And the next activity, you need a glass bottle and you need a cake of soap and you need a laser torch. You should dissolve the soap in the water and you have to fill the soap water to the glass bottle. Then you have to light the laser torch from one side. Then you can see one ray of light. Applications of light. We can use light for the production of food in plants, to give clear vision, to give signals, for communication, in the medical field, for entertainment and for illumination. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe.